Ridhima. I'm a costume designer, celebrity fashion stylist, a fashion coach. I have over 3 decades of experience. The session here at Indian Brainy Beauty was fabulous, all thanks to Archana Jain and Rabia Patel. This is a one-of-its-kind beauty pageant where we have age groups from 16 to 65. There's no rules of skin type or color or body shape or your marital status, your height, and other points that are so important in other beauty pageants. And other beauty pageants, you need people to measure to the standards of being like a glorified mannequin, where you have the perfect teeth, every part of your body there's like zero scar and not one hair out of place, and that's so plastic and so mannequin type. I mean, you might as well hire the mannequin and get them to walk on the run. So here, this is a real show for real people. You have real beauties, you have talent, which is actually highlighted because everyone does not come in a package. You're all short and sweet or tall or fat, or you're in all, we can't say fat, sorry. Okay, so we have all kinds of sizes. Today my session was about effective and elegant dressing as per your body shape. And you have to understand that you cannot lose or gain weight overnight, but effectively, if you dress with the right optical illusion, you can generate the right reactions.
Ma'am, what do you want to say to all the contestants?
I would like to tell the contestants to be, very confident about the way they are, the way they walk, the way they talk, dress. Do not get influenced by whatever is said by XYZ. Just do your thing, be confident, confident in your skin, be confident in your shape. Make sure that you don't let stress overtake you. Correct. Okay, because we're in a very challenging period.
Correct.
Yeah, we're going through a very challenging time with the pandemic, and every day is a challenge to survive. So apart from to survive you need confidence. Confidence is what is actually going to keep you going.
My name is Malloy Chakravarti, and I'm a business coach with Beyond Red Ocean Consulting. I founded Beyond Red Ocean about 6 years back with the objective of transforming people. Got to know Archana about 5-6 years, about more than that, about 10 years back. And through various times and forum, we have got known to each other. And one thing that amazes me about Archana is her passion to do new things every single time, right? Yeah. India Brainy Beauty, which was launched last year, and I had the pleasure of being associated with it. The reason I got associated with India Brainy Beauty was that concept, that of a woman being a wholesome person rather than being an external superficial beauty, right? That was what was very attractive to me, and that's how we got attached. She has been telling me to do this program. I did it last year. I'm going to do it this year, and it's all about I as the personal brand. Because if you are not a personal brand, if you can't sell yourself, if you can't stand up in the world and say, this is who I am and this is what I want to achieve, then nobody else in life will give you anything else in life. We always keep on telling people, if you don't have a plan for yourself, you will always be living your life of somebody else's plan. Please don't do that. Have a life for yourself, have a plan for yourself, and do well in life. Thank you very much.